local ra lahat. International may lang kwarta, so dagko sila mahatag. So I would like also to mention nga kani atong reunion would not be realized kung dili sa paninguha ni Vanessa nga to gather us mga nasa buguba nasa bugo nga mga murag center ba nga pwede makakontak sa band. So, si Norvin, si Las Kukoy, dako kayo nagnatabang to make this event happen. And muna, I don't have anything significant to say today. Pero I just want nga everybody to enjoy nga to realize nga unsa ka significant na gather ta together. This would happen every day. This would happen every month. So panagsara kayo nga magkakuyog ta together. So we might as well enjoy the rest of the day. Kuan katungwa ka inom para malingaw. Like us, malingaw na may gamay kay kain na mami. Di ba? So mao na. So I would like also to mention nga it's unfair nga ako rin musulti in behalf of the Magsaysay class. Dapat musulti sila si future attorney Aljason Minguez, si everybody in the class should say something, no, kay para to speak out ba nga bisan unsa ka gamay ang isulti dapat na masulti kay lisod ba masulti diri in front for me I don't know sa ilaha. So moto, we will enjoy the rest of the day and Moto.
We hope we see each other again.
So Moto, I need to ask our MC nga roll call ang magsaysay class para
sa isulti, Brad.
Sige ako na. Sige, Tunet, Al,
Brad, poker ta. Ikaw ba ang isulti?
Dili, ban ba?
Oh, later na. Garcia class or section Garcia works. Help. Alright, so thank you, Jingle Boy, for that speech. We would like to call on Sixto Catarata on behalf of the Garcia class to give a speech. Kibalo na to Sixto, nitago na to galit Michael.
Jar!
6! Jar!